Simply connect to Google, use this trick, copy, paste, and earn plenty of money. I earned a lot of this way and you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to make over $500 per day just by using Google. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So let's begin with step number 1, which is going over to news.google.com. And that's gonna take us to Google News, which is a news aggregator developed by Google where you can find all of the latest news from all around the world. And here on the left hand side, you can see all of these different categories, including your country, what's happening in the world, your local news, and you also have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And if you go over to business section, for example, it will give you all of the latest business news either in your specific country or all around the world. Basically, every couple of hours, these news will update and new articles will take place on specific topics, which in this case, that's gonna be business. As you can see right here, this one was posted 26 minutes ago, this one 12 hours ago, 14 hours ago, and it will refill constantly, so you can open any of these articles and use them to make money online. So, for example, let's just click on the second one. Let's say all we have to do is click on it, and that's gonna take us to this page where the original article was posted. So as you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, which I will be explaining exactly how in the following minutes. So for this step, I want you to copy this article. And for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna copy 2 sentences or 3 of this article just to show you an example of how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Moving on to step number 2, now I want you to connect to Quillbot.com. And Quillbot is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you so you can use them free of charge to make money online again and again. So what you will need to do is paste your article over here and click on the paraphrase button. And it's going to rewrite the entire article in a matter of seconds. It will just rearrange the words, the meaning stays the same, and the best part is it's all done for you and it's absolutely free. So as you can see here on the left-hand side, we have the original article, and on the right-hand side, we have the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready to be used. Now I can copy this rephrased article so I can use it to make money online, and you can do the same thing for all of these articles from different categories that are available on Google News, which are coming in every couple of hours. Here you can find thousands and thousands of different articles, and they are refilling constantly, and each of these articles can make you money over and over again. Now, moving on to step number 3, there are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not gonna make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, many people are doing this right now, and they're earning significant amounts of money. Now, the first option, I want you to connect to textbroker.com. And textbroker.com is working with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and so on. And this platform will pay you for writing these articles. But now, of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself. Don't worry, you don't need to be a writer or anything of that sort because this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need to have any skill for it. Because as I showed you before, you can get them written for you for absolutely free. And with a few clicks, you can make some cash just using this Google trick. So all you need to do now is go over to TextBroker and click on here, this section here, which is entitled I Write Content. And this is gonna take you to this page where you can read more about making money by writing articles for TextBroker, but I'll leave that up to you. Actually, it is absolutely free to register with this website, and you can start making money with this even today. And now if we go over to payment section over here, and scroll a little bit down, you can find their unique calculator for earnings. You can calculate this way how much you earn with your content. And for example, let's say that Google News articles are 4 stars, but I believe they are 5 stars, but nevertheless, let's make it 4. And let's say that article could be long as 3,000 words. So that's $43 just for one article. $43, and you have an infinite pool of articles on Google News. And all you have to do is copy those articles, rephrase them on Quillbot, and upload them here. If you do this once or twice a day, that's $80 per day, and that's some crazy amount. And of course, you can do more because the more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna generate. And you can do this over and over again for as long as you want it. But just keep in mind that this is not gonna make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with these free articles. And to get started with TextBroker, you should just click on sign up section over here, then choose this sign me up as an author. And here you would have to complete this simple form. For example, this profession or field of study, you just put in freelancer. How did you hear about us? You can just type in Google, enter in your email address, your password, and just make sure that you enter in a valid email address because they're gonna send you a confirmation link which you need to click on in order to start using your account. And for the step number 4, I want you guys to connect to Fiverr.com. And as you know, Fiverr.com is a freelancing site where people come and post their jobs and other people come and buy those. And people here are making tremendous amounts of money, and right now we're gonna take advantage of it as well. And as you can see, when you search for writing and scroll down, you can see that there are plenty of these gigs and they are very well paid. For example, just look at this one. High quality tech articles, it's $35 each and she already sold 300 of them. So let's just take a quick example of how much this girl is earning. So 327 times 35, that's $11,000. $11,000, and you can get it by simply copying and pasting articles from Google News. That's crazy amount of money, guys. And all these different people are making same amounts of money, and now you can do the same with this method that I showed you. And the thing is that these people are doing it the hard way because they're doing it themselves, and that's why it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles, and customers just don't like that. I mean, no one likes to wait, right? And since you can deliver those articles almost instantly, you will be 10 steps ahead of all of your competition. And in that way, you'll learn how to earn more money compared to them, and you can see that it actually works. And this girl who earned $11,000, she's writing tech articles. And on Google News, there is technology category. So look at all these articles. She might have used them as well and make that crazy amount of money This source is infinite and you need to start using it right now. You gotta take action because all you need to do is invest your spare time, and we all got some spare time, don't we? And with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.